Few know your true story, but I shall cherish it.
serving. No carbon, Victor. That's not a denial.
I've got a sample of the substance Crane's been using in his experiments for further analysis.
The substance is a proprietary compound known as Shadow, patent pending. Toxic, highly caustic in concentration, though quickly neutralized via contact with the air. As administered, the compound has strong psychoactive properties. Too strong for therapeutic use, however, by a factor of 10 or so.
Project Umbra. Crane was using it as a shortcut to bring out his patients' shadows.
I doubt Carl Jung would approve. Integrating one's shadow requires years of therapy. There are no shortcuts when untangling matters of the heart.
It's all connected. What would an unintegrated shadow look like?
Like the patient, I should think, but in a more terrible aspect. So a rat might look like a rat, but with longer teeth.
Or a crown?
You think an inmate, one of Crane's patients, is the Rat King?
He mentioned the one who was taken but returned.
To solitary, yes. I must recommend you go as Batman. You know who you need to talk to, and frankly, sir, it's dangerous.
No, Alfred. I have to work with these people, not against them. I'm going to solitary as a fellow inmate.
I had a feeling you'd say that. Good luck out there, Mr. Malone. I do hope you won't need it.
Malone. Batman, please remove your cowl. Please equip disguise. Disguise.
gotta sleep. Tomorrow's a big day.
Hey,
Is he
passed out in his favorite chair.
5 o'clock somewhere, right?
Yeah, here it's always 5 o'clock. You wanna come in?
No, I can't stay. I just came to give you this. It's for law school.
Bruce, I can't accept this.
Well, I'm gonna need someone to get me out of all the trouble I intend to get into. I love you, brother.
I love you too. Okay.
Okay. All right, knock it off.
Hey! Be safe and be good, Bruce Wayne.
You too, Harvey Dent.
Rise and shine, Malone. You have a visitor.
Conjugal, I hope.
Prisoner Malone. Hands through the slot.
You've been making a name for yourself. Some might say you're going places.
I got no idea what the hell you're talking about.
Get him out of there.
When the door opens, walk towards me. Step forward, slowly.
No need to be gentle, boys.
Guess this is a conjugal visit after all, Malone, because you're about to go...
Go time.
Irving Malone.
Or do you prefer matches?
Well, I prefer to be back in my cell.
Yeah, well, we, just want to talk.
Yeah, sure. This got anything to do with your rat problem?
You tell us.
This is your cell, isn't it? Yeah, and it's 3 a.m., but where are you? Matches.
Swinging from the rafters. Don't you know I'm Batman?
Batman would have never allowed something like this to happen on his watch.
Something like what?
Like an inmate named Yamashiro. He's dead.
He's dead. Hey, now wait a minute. If
Presumed
you...
dead, of course. GCPD is still trying to recover his body.
So he could just be missing. You know, a lot of inmates going missing lately.
Put out your left hand. Come on, your left hand. Let's see it.
That is a nasty cut.
Looks fresh, too. Put your hand over. You heard me, Malone. Flip your hand over. Yamashiro's real name was Chris Nakano.
You killed an undercover cop
you asshole! No! He was a good man. He was a family man.
I know, but I need him on the stand.
Hey, I didn't kill anyone. How is any of this on me?
This is Nakano's knife.
A gift for me when he joined the force.
DNA came back with 2 hits. Chris's blood on the handle.
And yours on the blade.
You got nothing. A judge will throw this garbage out. You got no motive.
No motive? I got a dozen eyewitnesses, including Captain Bolton, that saw you in a fight with Nakano your first day here. This isn't any pissing contest between 2 cons. Hey, don't they say that when the Rat King arrives, it'll be as an inmate?
Carmine Falcone's flunkies sure does fit the bill.
Either way, you're on the hook for killing one of the last honest cops in Gotham City. You feel that, Malone? Those are the walls closing in. Take this scumbag back to his cell.
There will be a pre-trial hearing. I'll see you there.
Gordon's over the edge, and I'm out of time. This is it. The day of wrath. I gotta get into solitary to find who Crane was talking about. The one who came back. I need Falcone's help. He's in the yard.
Crane and Quinzel. Those two deserve each other.
Gotta find Falcone. He'll be on his throne near max security.
Took care of them. What did you do?
Hold it. Any weapons on you?
He's good, Lou. Kid didn't save my neck the other day just to cut it open. Hold on. Get over here. I heard Commissioner Gordon paid you a visit this morning. What gives?
He thinks I murdered Nakano.
Murder? Sweet boy like you? Huh. And who or what is a Nakano?
Yamashiro. Real name was Chris Nakano. He was GCPD.
What? A rat's a pig? Of all the shit. So, you kill him?
Of course not. Did you?
The hell kind of question is that?
You were suspicious of him. In fact, just yesterday,
I'm
you were...
suspicious of a lot of people. But I didn't kill him. Never even found the guy.
Apparently someone did.
Matches, Mama. Why are you here? Gordon sent you. You wearing a wire?
One stupid question at a time.
Hey, don't get smart with me!
Sorry, boss. It's nothing like that. It's just... Gordon's got me stressed.
I feel that. You know, you should try yoga. I've been doing it since I got in here. Really works. Lou can attest.
He's like a different guy.
So, what do you want, kid?
I need your help to get into solitary.
What? I just busted you out yesterday. You're crazy, kid. And I'm here for it. Sure, I can get you into solitary. There's a wall of tiger guards in our way, but most of those bricks are on my payroll. Let's go cause some trouble.
Crane and Quinzel.
Hey, Malone, got something for you. A gift from Falcone.
Thanks, Turner.
No problem. Joe's gone, Malone. Looks like I'm gonna be filling in. Did you want to shop, or is there something else you need? Talk again soon.
Malone, you reading me?
Loud and clear, boss.
Good. So, why are we going to solitary?
To see a rat. Find out what he knows. Keeping you safe from the Rat King.
Damn rats are a menace. If it ain't them, it's the DA. Dent thinks he's gonna nail me at trial, you know.
But he's not.
Ha! I got enough dirt on these judges to bury City Hall. You wanna know the proof of it? I got it under lock and key, right here. Audio, video, the works.
No shit?
Anything happens to me, kid, there's a ledger in a vault in max security. Password's Louisa. That's my get-out-of-Blackgate free card.
Why are you telling me all this?
You saved my life. And my empire. Now let's make this rat squeak.
Took care of everything. What did you do?
Visible on every street, but what's not visible on this morning of the foretold day of wrath?
Who the hell are you?
Tell them you're with me, kid. They'll fall in line.
The Romans sent me. Mind letting me through? I got business in solitary.
Gotta be shitting me. We take the Romans' money, not his orders. Now, if you got more of his cash on you, we can talk.
Yeah, I'm fresh out, sorry. Mind opening the door? I've had a long morning.
It's about to get longer. Let's show him who's boss, boys. No mercy! Open wide! Sweet dreams, scumbag! 99 convict! Ready or not!
Give me the key code to the door.
You ain't getting in.
Try again.
9034.
Thank you. And good night.
Did you just lay them all out?
They started it.
Well, try using your words next time. We don't need this heat.
How'd you get in here?
I know that voice. This guy ain't on the payroll. If we're gonna get to that rat, Hey, the rats. Tiger wants them gone as much as I do. Gotta be something there you can work with.
You got an answer for me?
Your buddies back there waved me through. Extenuating circumstances.
Crooked sons of bitches. You're Falcone's new muscle, aren't you?
Afraid so. There's a rat locked in there, Chief. I gotta talk to him.
Oh, yeah? Why's that?
Ever since my slow dance with Bolton, the rats think I'm the second coming. I can get this one to talk. Get Tiger some intel on the Rat King.
You saying I can't get him to talk? I'm insulted. No deal.
Well, I'm out of ideas, Malone. Tell me you got an ace up your sleeve.
What are you still doing here?
You know, I'm pretty tight with Falcone.
And?
His trial's coming up. DA thinks he's got a slam-dunk case, but without what I know, Falcone's gonna walk.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what are you talking about?
Falcone has secrets buried in your own backyard. What if I told you I could point you to him? Audio, video, the works.
The hell you trying to pull here, kid?
Go on.
Give me a moment with this rat you're babysitting. Don't even need to open his cell. Just wait here, and I'll give you the scoop of the century.
All right. But if you're lying...
Then you can toss me in with him.
Get moving.
You better not be trying to...
It's all part of the plan, boss. There's rats. There's a catcher.
Matches Malone. The Rat King's favorite son.
Favorite son? I thought that was you.
There's room for all. Rats have big families.
And not as big as before. A lot of inmates going missing.
He welcomes them to his inner sanctum. All to prepare for the day.
And the day of wrath. How you know about all this?
I've been there.
You've been where, Otis?
I cannot say. I was blindfolded. For to look upon his glory is to be stricken.
Yeah. So you don't remember anything?
The King's realm exists beyond the walls of our reality. It is not for us to speak on.
If the Rat King's recruiting, how come he didn't recruit you?
He did recruit me, you see. To remain and deliver the faithful unto him.
So you can't help me find them?
Oh, but I can. Though my eyes could not see, my ears bore witness to his glory. A great horn heralding the king.
Well, that sounds great. Can you take me to him or not?
I can do better. I can bring them back.
I gotta say, he's a little smaller than I expected.
Play it. Hear his word. Revel in his truth.
Thanks, Otis. I'll see you around.
Your night will come, oh favored son. I'm sure of it. I am sure of it!
I gotta get this tape to Barbara for analysis. Maybe we can pinpoint where the recording was made.
That's it? You put my ass in the wind for some phony baloney tape? Flanagan's a nut. How does this help us take down the Rat King?
Ah, no, boss, you're breaking up. I'm gonna get to the bottom of this, don't you worry.
Malone? Malone! Hey, Lou, this lousy thing's on the fritz again.
Hold out your hand. I got something for you.
What's this?
Leverage. Also, Falcone's got an incriminating ledger in a vault in max security. Passwords, Louisa. You're welcome.
Get back to your cell.
Because no one wearing a prison jumper ever got a fair trial.
Whatever you say, Doc.
Leslie, a trial.
Things are moving fast. Harvey wants to put you on the stand. I'll keep them distracted. If you have any unfinished business, this may be your last chance.
Okay, I need you to get something to Alfred. He'll know what to do.
Of course. Just step inside when you're ready.
Hey, what the hell's this all about?
Pre-trial hearing, Malone.
The doctor brought you a suit. You ever seen one of those?
At least this way you won't look like a criminal on the stand.
Doctor says the suit's a hand-me-down from Bruce Wayne.
Hurry up.
Is this a hearing or a firing line?
Prisoner Malone resisting orders.
Shrink him.
What are you doing?
Taking him to the courthouse.
Your Honor, please.
Given Mr. Malone's obvious injuries and visible exhaustion, I'm going to require a competency evaluation as part of this pretrial hearing. Dr. Crane?
Come on, not that quack.
Mr. Malone, you do not speak unless addressed by myself or counsel. Do you understand?
I know you want to let this sick schnauzer in my head, but you got another thing coming if you...
Mr. Malone. Dr. Crane! Approach the bench, Doctor. You look even worse for wear than the defendant. Are you all right?
Yes. Just a late night. Patient care is a passion of mine, and a demanding mistress.
Mr. Malone requires a competency evaluation today to determine his fitness to stand trial.
Very well, Your Honor.
No, I want a second opinion, Judge.
Mr. Malone, this is your final warning. Not another word. Dr. Crane.
Everything all right, Doctor?
I will prove his competency beyond a shadow of a doubt. Yes, this is exactly what the patient needs.
No, just take it easy, Doctor.
Keep this guy away from me, Judge.
Hey, hold it!
Are you okay?
Is he okay? Is he okay? This poor bastard. I'll kill you! I'll kill you! I'll kill you!
Move it, Malone!
Breaking news. District
Open one.
Harvey Dent has been brutally...
Get moving!
This asshole thinks he's famous. Here's what we know at this
You're gonna pay for what you did.
This Falcone got Dent hearing for an Irving matches Malone, who unconfirmed reports suggest is an associate of Carmine Falcone. After Malone...
Dent actually gave a shit about this city.
You belong here. Blackgate psychiatrist Dr. Jonathan Crane approached him to administer a sedative. Malone resisted.
You gotta fly for this. Hope it was working.
Then, without remorse, he attacked D.A. Dent from the stand. Dent was rushed to the emergency room. At this time, we have no updates on his condition. What kind of sedative could cause such a severe reaction? A medical expert we consulted believes Crane was using a nebulizer and said that if the sedative was highly concentrated, it would have acidic properties.
Get this
which
asshole
would
to
cause
his cell,
severe
quickly.
chemical burns. I'll be standing by to bring you any further information on this horrifying situation as we receive it.
Open 4! Open 5! Let him through. We scanned him at the courthouse. Keep the walkway clear.
Dad got what he deserves.
The DA's down. All hail Malone.